This is Ben from WP Answered, and in this beginner WordPress tutorial, I'll answer the following questions. How can I delete a category? Can I delete the uncategorized category? And can I delete all categories? All of those questions will be fully answered in the next couple minutes, so let's not waste any time and dive right in. In order to delete a category, the first step is to log into your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse over the Posts menu, and click on Categories. On the left side of the page, you can add new categories, and on the right side, you can manage all of your existing categories. To delete an existing category, hover your mouse over the category and then click the red delete link. Your browser will ask you if you're sure, so just click OK, and then the category will be deleted. If you'd like to delete more than one category, you can use the check boxes along the side here, or the box up top to select them all at once. Then you would click the Bulk Actions dropdown, select Delete, and then click Apply. Now, if you hover your mouse over the Uncategorized category, you'll notice that the delete link doesn't show up like it does for the categories that you created. This is because WordPress sites are required to have one default category. The good news is that you don't have to use the uncategorized one as your default. Hover your mouse over the Settings menu and click on Writing. At the top of the screen, you'll see this default post category option, and with it, you can quickly change your default category from uncategorized to a category that you've created. Now, if you return to the post categories menu, and once it loads, hover your mouse over the uncategorized category, you'll see that the delete link is now available. Click the link, hit OK in the prompt, and the uncategorized category will be deleted. This gives you complete control over the categories on your WordPress site, so you never have to see the ugly uncategorized category again. And that also brings us to the final question, which is, can I delete all categories? Well, without installing any plugins, the answer is no. WordPress requires there to be at least one category at all times. But with the help of the Disable Blog plugin, you can remove categories, tags, and all traces of posts from your site. At this time, I'm not aware of any plugins that only remove categories without also disabling posts, but if enough people request that in the comments, I can make a new plugin for that, so let me know. That's everything you need to know about deleting WordPress categories, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more tutorials on the way. If you still have questions, you can post below, and as always, thanks so much for watching.